Hi, I'm Scott Murray with the personal injury firm Murray & Guari. For those of us with young children, keeping our kids safe is a top priority, and today I'd like to talk about child safety seats. Motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death among children ages 3 to 14. According to the Center for Disease Control in 2005, more than 1,300 children ages 14 years and younger died as occupants in motor vehicle crashes in the U.S., and approximately 184,000 were injured. That's an average of 4 deaths and 504 injuries each day. In 2009, more than 4,300 children 5 and under were injured in vehicle crashes in Florida. More than half of those children injured were improperly restrained or had no restraints at all. Seatcheck.org reports 96% of parents and caregivers believe their child safety seats are installed correctly, but research shows that 7 out of 10 children are improperly restrained. Today I'm going to provide you with some helpful tips and key websites that offer great information on child seat safety. When it comes to child seat safety, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration offers guidelines on their website, nhtsa.gov. First, infants under 2 years of age and who are 20 pounds or less should ride in rear-facing car seats placed in the back seat of the vehicle. After your children have reached age 2 and weigh more than 20 pounds, they should transfer to a forward-facing car seat until they have reached maximum height and weight for their seat. Typically, this is through 3 or 4 years old. The next step is a booster seat for children until they reach 4 feet 9 inches tall and are between ages 8 and 12. Remember, that booster seat must be used with a lap and shoulder belt. Make sure that the lap belt lies low and snug across your child's upper thighs and that the shoulder belt crosses the middle of the chest, not across your child's neck. After outgrowing their booster seats, children should ride in a lap and shoulder belt in the back seat until they are 13 years old. Next, it's a good idea to have your child safety seat inspected. Various organizations provide this free service. To find inspection sites in your area, you can go to the NHTSA website and search by zip code. In Palm Beach County, you can make an appointment to have your child seat checked by calling the City of Delray Fire Rescue Department at 561-243-7422. To access more information on this in both English and Spanish, call 866-732-8243 or log on to seatcheck.org. When deciding what seat to buy, expectant parents have a choice between infant-only seats or convertible seats. Infant-only seats will be smaller so the newborn will be more snug in the seat, while convertible seats can be used until a child reaches 40 pounds. If you research the subject, you'll find that most experts agree that both types are equally safe. When a seat fails to work, it is almost always because of improper installation or use. This is why the inspection I mentioned earlier is so important. There are some things to look for when selecting a child seat. You want a seat that meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards, a seat that is easy to use and has clear, understandable instructions, and a seat whose attachments are compatible with your car's back seat. Note that the NHTSA website has an ease-of-use rating system for all types of child safety seats. Our final tips come from the American Academy of Pediatrics, who advises never use a child safety seat that is several years old or has visible cracks, and never use a child safety seat that doesn't come with the instructions or that does not have the manufacturer and model number noted on it. You need this information in case of a recall. To find out if a child seat has been recalled, you can call the Auto Safety Hotline at 888-327-4236 or register your seat on the NHTSA website to receive emails if there are any recalls or any later discovered defects in the seat model you are using, or check Recalls.Gov. You can request a copy of our brochure on child safety seats using the contact form on our website, murrayguari.com. If you have any questions about this topic or any legal questions, please call 561-366-9099 or email me at smurray@murrayguari.com. Thank you.